Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Nintendo Switch. Maybe you have in something different and you want to switch it back to English. So let's go to System Settings right here. Then on the left, let's scroll on down. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times. And we want to go to System right here. So this is the last option, so you can just scroll all the way down, go to the right. Then we have System Update 1. So we're going to go 1 down, 2 down, 3 down to language right here. You should be able to see the language. Select this, and then we have French, Dutch, Spanish, Italian, all these different languages right here. Korean, Japanese, Mandarin Chinese, and then I don't know the last one. So here's all these different languages. I do not see Tagalog or anything like that. So not a whole lot of languages on here, but hopefully you speak one of these. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.